Sina, Pourang, TraumaChek, a giant leap towards saving lives.
Time is a tricky thing, isn't it? For some people, it's all about beating the time to catch a train or finish a project at the last minute to meet the deadline. And for me, it's all about finishing my presentation in under 3 minutes. But for some, time is critical. It's a matter of life and death, especially for patients who suffer from traumatic injuries and are bleeding. They only have 1 hour to receive treatment to survive. Even if they reach hospital quickly, diagnosing them can be a challenge because our bodies have a complex system for stopping bleeding. Do you know how the body prevents bleeding? It's really amazing. An injury starts a platelet phase, where a small cell-like structure in the blood called platelets gather at injury site and form a plug to help stop bleeding. Then the coagulation phase, where different factors work together to form a mesh to hold the clot in place. And finally, the lysis phase prevents clot from growing too large and causing problems like heart attack or strokes. These phases work together to balance the clotting process. But traumatic injuries can upset this balance and make it difficult to figure out what's going on. That's why I'm working on a revolutionary device called TraumaChek. It evaluates how well someone's blood clotting by measuring changes in the electric properties of the blood. TraumaChek has a secret weapon. It has a multi-channel cartridge that are sensitive to each step of the clotting process. This allows for personalized treatment that are more effective for each patient. With just a few drops of blood, results are ready in just 15 minutes. And the best part, TraumaChek is compact and easy to bring to an accident scene. This means first responders, such as emergency medical personnel, can help patients right away and reduce the immediate need for transportation to a medical facility. TraumaChek is not just a device, it's a lifesaver. It offers a new level of efficiency, accuracy, and speed in the diagnosis and treatment of traumatic injuries. We believe TraumaChek will have a significant impact on the medical field. Our team has several years' experience in the developing of point-of-care devices and conducting clinical trials. Now, we are working with the Department of Defense to bring TraumaChek to life and save at least 30,000 lives in the US alone every year. Lives are currently being lost only because of time. Thank you.